Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Prometheus with Prometheus step by step clearly. To install Prometheus, start by downloading the latest release. Visit the official Prometheus GitHub page to find the release information. Choose the appropriate version for your operating system. Once downloaded, extract the files to a desired location on your system. Open your terminal or command prompt. Navigate to the folder where Prometheus was extracted. To start Prometheus, run the Prometheus executable file. You need to specify the configuration file. Create a basic configuration file named prometheus.yml. Add the following content to prometheus.yml to set up your monitoring targets. Specify the global scrape interval and define the scrape jobs. Save the configuration file. Return to your terminal and run Prometheus again, pointing to the new configuration file. Access the Prometheus web interface by opening a browser. Use the URL localhost followed by the port 9090. In the Prometheus dashboard, you can enter queries to monitor your metrics. From here, you can explore various features and functionalities of Prometheus. To install exporters, identify the metrics you want to collect. Download the exporter suitable for your use case. Configure the exporter to fit your monitoring needs. Start the exporter in a separate terminal or as a background service. Back in your prometheus.yml file, add the exporter as a scrape target. Restart Prometheus to apply the changes. Verify that the metrics from the exporter are displayed on the Prometheus interface. Now your Prometheus setup is complete and ready for monitoring tasks. Explore the various features offered by Prometheus to enhance your monitoring experience. Continue to adapt your configuration as needed for your environment. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.